So here we are at the Norfolk Show. I'm going to give you a walk around here today, show you some of the bits they don't show you on the TV, like the trade stands and the animals.
What do you want one, babe? Oh, no, you think there's something.
There's a marquee here with some craft stalls in it, so let's go and have a look.
So this way is a bit, you don't need the peas.
Without much further ado, the seat set up.
If you've got a dog, there's loads here that will interest you.
Are you doing a
I'm just here, yeah. I joke, but...
There's an air display going on here. Here's a little tip when you come to the Norfolk Show. Walk down in the middle of the aisles, not on the edge, because there's people just collaring you all the time, trying to get your bank details out of you so they can sign you up to a direct debit. So there's people asking you, have you got a dog? Do you like food? Are you eco-friendly? Every store you go to, and all they want to do is get you to sign up to a direct debit. So walk down the middle of the aisles and you won't get collared by anyone. There's a nice witchy themed stall here. Seems to be lots of stores selling sunglasses here. It's about the 6th sunglass stall I've seen since I've been here. I've just purchased some beef jerky, which I love, and over here you can try loads of crisps from kettle chips. Off we go. Here's the business zone, and my daughter has a stall in here, so let's go and have a look. She probably won't want me to film her though. I'm in the queue to have a go on the first bus spinner. Oh, and a pencil. So here we are in one of the food areas. There's every food you can think of here. Another row of food stalls here. They're all insanely busy. Got to have my favourite drink again, chai latte from this store.
Yeah.
So here we are here outside the food hall. This is usually the best bit about the Norfolk show and the Suffolk show. So let's go and have a look.
And that routines. And who's not so sure about it? I think that's probably what happens. It's
that's on silence. No.
Particular configuration is called a unicorn, and these cobs, because they are cobs, are called Jim, Ben and Wallace. Aren't they wonderful names for them? And this is the sort of vehicle that was used when you were training your horses at home, so that they level where Janice and Max and Jessie and Jack, Jay's here today, are sitting. Or introducing something that's a bit novice or green to your team. So a real treat to see that of a coach or a big roof seat type break. So after Bob had a close inspection of the horses, and most of all, as I say, the cleanliness, because with them all going out on